Hello, now we will seeing a small case study problem from probability and random process subject, and I am Praveen Kumar. So our question is the transition probability matrix of the Markov chain x of n is comma n equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 up to infinity having three states 1 comma 2 comma 3 is probability p is equal to 0.1 0.6 0.3 0.5 0.4 0.2 0.2 0.3 0.4 0.3 and the initial distribution at p of 0 is equal to 0.7 comma 0.2 0.1 and we have to find probability of x2 is equal to 3 and second condition is probability of x3 is equal to 2, x2 is equal to 3, x1 is equal to 3 and x0 is equal to 2. Now we will see the solution. Our given probability is equal to 0.1, 0.6, 0.3, 0.5, 0.2, 0.4, 0.4, 0.2, 0.3 and initial condition is 0.7, 0.2, 0.1. From this we will get probability of x0 is equal to 1 is equal to 0.7 and probability at initial condition 2 is 0.2, probability at initial condition is equal to 3 is 0.1. Now we will find probability at first condition p of 1 is equal to probability of 0 condition inverse into p, that is 0.7 into 0.2 into 0.1 into inverse into 0.1, 0.6, 0.3, 0.5, 0.2, 0.4, 0.4, 0.2, 0.3 and p of 1 is equal to on multiplication we will get 0.2, 0.22, 0.43, 0.35. From this we can conclude probability of first condition is equal to 1 is equal to 0.22, at first condition is equal to 2 is 0.43 and first condition is equal to 3 is 0.35 and then we have to find probability of second condition, that is equal to probability of first condition inverse into original probability function, that is implies 0.22 into 0.43 0.35 inverse into 0.1 0.6 0.3 0.5 0.2 0.4 0.4 0.2 0.3. On multiplication these two we will get 0.385 0.336 and 0.279. From this we can conclude that p of second condition is equal to 3 is 0.279. This is our first condition to be found, hence first condition is found. While coming to the second condition, probability of x3 is equal to 2 comma x2 is equal to 3, x1 is equal to 3 and x0 is equal to 2. Here if you move the suffix to the left hand side and power to the right hand side, we will get p of 3 2 3 2 and p of 3 3 and p of 2 3 suffix and p into x0 is equal to 2 and power p of 3 minus 2, p of 2 minus 1, p of 1 minus 0. From this we will get p of 3 2 into p of 3 3, p of 2 3 into p of x0 is equal to 2. From the original probability function we will get p of 3 2 is 0.4 and p of 3 3 is 0.3 and p of 2 3 is 0.22 and p of x0 is equal to 2 is p of x0 is equal to 0.2. If you multiplying these all four values we will getting 0.0048. So our second case condition probability function of x3 is equal to 2, x2 is equal to 3, x1 is equal to 3 comma x0 is equal to 2 is 0.0042. Hence our result is probability function of x3 is equal to 3 is 0.279 and probability function of x3 is equal to 2 comma x2 is equal to 3, x1 is equal to 3, x0 is equal to 2 is 0.0048. Thank you.